Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, we're just going to be adding the remaining functionality to our users page, such as linking the search bar so that it actually presents us the appropriate results and we can search for users inside of our application, as well as adding the call for logging out once we click on this logout button on the top of our top bar. So without anything further to do, let's get into it and let's see how to do it. So to get started, let's first tackle the problem with the search bar. And to do that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my users page, and then I'm going to go to the build UI function. And inside of the build UI function, I'm going to go to the point where we are rendering our top bar. And there I'm going to go to the point where we have our onPressed call for our primary action. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say that I'm going to, when it's onPressed is called, do auth dot and then call logout. So we've accidentally just kind of taken care of the functionality of adding the logout functionality to this button. So now we can actually go ahead and toggle the functionality or tackle the functionality of the search bar. So for the search bar, what we have to do is that on editing complete, we have to call a function. And what do we have to call? Well, when the editing is complete, what we need to do is that we need to do page provider dot, and then we need to get the user, and it's not get users, and then we need to get users whose name field contains the specific name which is provided to us by the value, and value, remember, is the thing that we type inside of our search field. And with this, what I'm going to do now is that once we've typed something and we've gotten the results, I'm going to do focus scope, and then I'm going to do off context, and then I'm going to call unfocus. So this is going to kind of remove everything and then unfocus us from the search bar. And I'm going to do command save. With this, I'll restart my application just to make sure that there are no problems. Go to this users page, and now I'm going to type something in. So let's search for the user Robert, for example, and I'm going to press enter, and you're going to see that Robert is shown to us. And if I go back and I press enter, all of the users are shown, and if I go and press Margaret, only Margaret is shown, and it works for PowerShell as well. So for example, if I press enter, and let's just see that I want to get all of the users which have a M in their name. So if I type an M, press enter, you're going to see that Margaret is shown. And that's pretty much all we have to do. So with this, now we've confirmed that our search field works as well. And if I log out, you're going to see that our logout field works as well. So with this, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll perform, let's just say, the final check on our application to make sure that everything works, and we'll spin up 2 different simulators. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.